chocolate chip ricotta cookies. A very normal way to end an Italian meal is with a cup of espresso and some cookies. And these are simple ricotta cookies. One bowl does it all, and they were Nona's favorite, Grandma's favorite cookies. She loved her ricotta, and of course she loved the cookie. So, let's begin by whipping up the butter a little bit. We'll add a little bit of sugar at. Let me just start it. You know why it's happening? The bowl is very wide, but I want it because you can look into it and see. So I'm gonna help myself a little bit to get the sugar and the butter together, and then I'm gonna continue to whip it. So cooking is all about common sense, and when something is not happening or goes wrong, I mean, you know, your common sense will say, okay, maybe I should do this. And that's what you do, just like I did here. All right, let's see. Next, go in the eggs one at a time. Let me put one. And because the butter didn't and the sugar didn't melt right away, I'm extra beating this combination so get it nice and smooth. All right, let's get everything down. My little bird is serenading me. How beautiful is this? Cooking outside in my backyard with the birds. Beautiful. Okay, now let's put in the ricotta. The vanilla. Okay, I am going to combine the flour and the baking powder. Baking is all about steps and making sure that every steps and everything is incorporated. A pinch of salt, and let's get back. Okay. I'm going to switch to the spatula now because it's a thicker dough, and the question is to get it all homogenized. So you have to give it a little bit of elbow power here. Ricotta cookies are good just like that, and traditionally they're either sprinkled with some powdered sugar or a nice royal lemon icing. Very simple, powdered sugar and lemon juice. But my kids, they like their chocolate chips. So this is my rendition of sort of chocolate chip cookies. All right. So could you do this in the stand-up mixer? Absolutely. Maybe you can go through the whole mixture. But I didn't want to make too much noise here. I wanted to show you because certainly my grandmother didn't have a stand-up mixer. So you get yourself a baking sheet. I put parchment paper on it, very nice and easy. I prepare myself with an ice cream scoop like this, so all the cookies are the same size. A little bit, dip it in the water, and you make sure that you fill each one just perfect. And on you go, down the line. Give them some space. They grow a little bit, they get puffy. Not too much, they don't spread too much, but they do get a little puffy. So give them enough space, and you got yourself a lot of cookies. They keep well in a sealed cookie can if you have. But let me tell you, they'll go before you can seal them anywhere. You preheat an oven at 350 degrees, and anywhere from 16 to 18 minutes, and you got yourself some delicious ricotta cookies. Okay, here we have another one from Joanne. I want to make my future Italian daughter-in-law, along with her Italian mother, proud at a shower I'm throwing. You're throwing a shower, Joanne. Do you have a suggestion for what I can do other than the pizzelle I'm making? Joanne, first of all, congratulations is in order. And you have a big responsibility now. You know, Italians have a lot of options for antipasto. You can just make a beautiful spread. Get the best prosciutto, the best mortadella, delicious different cheeses, fruits, nuts, and that's the beginning. Then you can make stuffed vegetables. Vegetables in season. Baked clams are also delicious. Artichokes. Braised artichokes are delicious. You can make a salad of shrimps and beans. Simple, delicious, everybody likes it. There's a lot for you to really bring to the table when it comes to an Italian sort of antipasto serving for your guest. Congratulations, Joanne, to you and the whole family. The cookies are ready, they've cooled. I made myself and you an espresso, but let me plate it first. Let's do like this. And a nice crispy one on top. And I think there's room for one more just like that. Okay, let me just open one for you. Even the birds are excited about this one. Now, look at this, full of chocolate chips, nice and moist. And the coffee is waiting. Let me taste this first. Now a little sip of espresso. All is prepared. The coffee is hot. I'm inviting you. You know, I have the coffee, I have plenty of cookies for all of you. So tutti a tavola a mangiare.